Alright guys, that was the Steel Combi KM110 with bed redefiner. But if you look closely, that is not the steel blade, that is the Echo blade. Carbide teeth, pulverizes roots, little rocks, cuts a much better edge. It's time to throw some mulch, guys. Well, there it is, guys. Don't look like much. 5.5 yards of mulch. That ain't nothing fancy, but guess what? That's better than a wheelbarrow. So I will let you guys see what it looks like here in a little bit. I'll get some of it done. All right, guys. This is where I'm at. Man, that looks good. That little bit right there, and then what I showed you around back, a couple trees. So that's it for today. I will add to this video tomorrow when I come back. Hey guys, this is Josh with Jace Landscaping back. So I didn't do a finished video the other day, but here it is. Customer is absolutely ecstatic about it. He came out and said the wife absolutely loves it. He said if the wife's happy, I'm happy. And I told him, I said, well, if your wife's happy and you're happy, then I guess I'm happy too. So, but here it is. Nothing really spectacular. You know, pulled a few weeds here and there. You know, edged some beds, put some mulch down. Nothing too spectacular. But here is a extra addition that the customer wanted. He mentioned to me, hey, can we put a new bed here? I said, sure, why not? And back here, this is new. This was part of the, there it is, guys, plan. All finished. So if you can, do me a favor, like and subscribe and share the channel, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.